How does GPS work? You use GPS every day to drive, to find places, or track deliveries. But how does your phone know exactly where you are, anywhere on Earth, even without internet? It's thanks to space, ultra-precise clocks, and Einstein. What is GPS? GPS is a system that pinpoints your location using satellites. There are over 30 satellites orbiting the Earth right now. Your phone doesn't guess your position. It listens to these satellites and calculates where you are, how it locates you. Each satellite constantly sends a message that says, "Here is the exact time this signal was sent." Your phone compares the time the signal was sent with the time it arrived. That time difference tells your phone how far the satellite is. But one satellite only gives distance, not position. Your phone needs at least 4 satellites to calculate your exact location: latitude, longitude, and even altitude. Atomic clocks and Einstein. To work, GPS needs incredible precision. A tiny error of 1 microsecond equals 300 meters off on the map. That's why GPS satellites use atomic clocks, the most accurate clocks ever made. And yes, Einstein's relativity matters. In space, time runs slightly faster, because gravity is weaker. Without correcting this difference, GPS would become useless in minutes. Why internet helps? GPS works even without internet. Satellites tell your phone where you are. The internet only helps to download maps faster and speed up the first location fix. Conclusion. So next time your GPS guides you, remember, satellites in space, atomic clocks, and Einstein's physics are working for you. In your pocket, science looks like magic until you understand it.